Good morning and welcome. It's Gilly Kube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm going to do a round. I think I can't remember the size of the round, but it's quite a big one. So I'm going to do kind of autumn themed colours that I'm onto at the moment, and I'm using my spinner to just really help me turn this canvas around and get the right composition. So I'm just having a little play there. It's like spinning, icing a cake on your spinner and helping you spread the paint. So this colour is a metallic copper. So just using that for my base, and then I'll work with that. So yeah, obviously it looks like I'm having a really good time with that spinner, doesn't it? It's quite therapeutic, I think. So I will load my colours. Bear with me, because this turns out to be an absolutely stunning piece that I really hope you enjoy. So I'll just laying my colours all in puddles at the moment.
They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go. Tell me, should I know? Just tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? Tell me, did you know that you'd be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me, should I've known? Tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go.
I'm just so much enjoying this process. Just puddling those colours is actually quite therapeutic and relaxing. So just loving it. It's it looks quite nice as it is. Probably even if I'd have just tilted all of that whole piece and seen what it came out like. But anyway, that could be the very next one. I'm kind of an idea that I wanted to call this my double Dutch, because I want to blow it out twice. So calling it my double Dutch here. but I actually loving the colours as you blow them. I just think they're stunning, stunning, stunning. So just this process that I've done up until this point has given me lots of ideas that I want to try on other canvases, just using the same process but just maybe a different technique. So here goes for the double Dutch.
They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully.
So now for the second blowout, hence why I'm calling it a double Dutch. So I'm doing a Dutch pour over a Dutch pour, but just loving those colours, absolutely loving it. And I love the kind of wavy effect it's giving on the canvas. I just love it.
Tell me should I know?
Now for the tricky bit in the middle, trying to work out if I don't know if you think of anything better that I could have done there. I'm definitely open to suggestion. Yeah, probably should have started from the middle outwards, I guess. But I just love the effect on it. There's so much movement. I absolutely love the colours together. And this piece was just so therapeutic to do, so enjoyable. And on that round, it really does help on that spinner to be able to turn it around to where you really need it to be. Yes, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. So what do you guys think of it? I'm going to just try giving it a spin. I'm going to keep the spin to just one way, just to help the canvas lose some paint off it, just nice and slowly, but it will help reduce the paint burden on the canvas, and hopefully it will dry without cracking. So yes, here we go. See, it's just gorgeous as it is, but I just think I'm going to do that one little blowout in the center just with the black and metallic gold, and see if that makes my center look a little bit better and less lost. And of course a tiny little balloon in that center wouldn't go amiss, but I'm really happy with the end piece. I just love my double Dutch pour. One balloon kiss, I'm going to leave it at one, I think. Oh, well, one balloon kiss in the same spot. So super duper happy with this piece. It's been a long time since I did this kind of starburst blowout, but it's definitely a double Dutch pour, I think. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and look out for the dried piece at the end, and I will be back very soon. So please join me for the next exciting episode. Yes, I'm deciding on giving it a little bit of spin. As I said, it's kind of slowly reducing some of the paint on the canvas, and hopefully less likely for it to crack, because we got so much rain here. The moisture in the air here is taking my paintings donkey's years to dry. So, but this one does dry beautifully. Okay, bye for now.
Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.